Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to link searches on TikTok comments. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the very end and let's get right into it. Now the way that you link searches is you just open up the comment and you just type in search and give it a colon. Once you do this, you can type in anything that you want to link in the searches and the link search comment will be added to the comment section. Other than this, you can also mention people by adding in an @. If you add in @, you can mention in anyone, whether they be your friends or other people. By doing this, they will get tagged in this post. So that's the way of linking searches on TikTok comments. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.